The market was holding its breath until this moment. And guess what? We got the exact opposite news we expected, and the market has exploded because of this. Now, when I say exploded, I don't mean that we're going on, 20, 50, 100% runs, but this is the setup for even further possible moves to the upside. Now, I want to tell you guys why this is. Now, when we look around the market, we're seeing green almost everywhere, right? ADA up 7% and surging. We have Shib up 7% and surging. And I'm not sure what time frame this is on, but you can see that the market is taking off. AGIX doing well, Fetch doing well, Stacks just coming out of left field and running 20% today. But most importantly, BTC stretching its legs, trying to test the top of this channel. Once again, guys, if you guys have not checked out my indicator, the link's in the description below. It was right 100% again. You guys can see DCA Plus flashed right at the bottom of this channel, and look at this move that we've now made. Now, what is important is right above here in terms of BTC. Now, first and foremost, why are we seeing this burst in the market? Why are we seeing everything really begin to climb? And what it has to do with is the FOMC meeting. We've talked about this the last few days. We talked about really a lot of uncertainty being priced into the market. And today is a perfect indication of that, because the news, the sentiment that we got from this meeting was actually fantastic. It is basically that the projections from earlier in the year, despite some of this mixed economic data, they remain unchanged. Rates not getting raised. They're maintaining the fact that they're planning on cutting rates 3 times this year. We're expected to drop by 3/4 of a point by the end of the year. So this is great. This took a lot of that uncertainty right out of the market. Right now, shorts should be very, very concerned, especially with BTC here, right? Because BTC is trying to break out of the top of this channel. If it does, just above here is where those short leveraged liquidations begin. This is the same thing that took us from 40K and ran us all the way up these charts. That's what we're potentially facing here. This could have just turned into one of the biggest bull flags we've seen in Bitcoin in recent memory. All right. That is the potential move that we have. Now, I'm not saying that's the scale or anything like that, but again, we have some great possibilities ahead. Now, why this is important for other assets in the space, ADA, SHIB, Fetch, really almost any altcoin you look, is if Bitcoin shows that strength, if it continues to knock down these walls and move to the upside, the rest of the assets, the rest of crypto is likely going to move with it. We'll probably see breakouts all over the place. We'll likely see a lot of the value that was lost over the past week or so here begin to climb back. And it may lead towards even bigger moves, coins setting all-time highs and things like that. Now, this is just me speculating. There's no guarantee here. We'll have to see how this all plays out. We got to wait till obviously the dust settles and this news kind of wears off a little bit. But if, again, we build this momentum back up, all we have is blue skies ahead. So I appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.